Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB20 Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this initialization for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not pairing with Bluetooth or not syncing or connecting to your devices or having any kind of sound issues or it's not responding, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to set this speaker up on a new device or any reason you just want to get a fresh start, like you're just taking the speaker out of the box and it's new and you can set it up new, it's really easy to do. We're going to do this from the power on mode. It will not work if the power is not on. And with the power on, we're going to come in, we're going to press and hold the volume down button. And then while pressing and holding the volume down button, then we're going to come over and press the pairing power button. And then hold both of them for at least 5 seconds. And when it's complete, the device will power off. You can go ahead and release the buttons. And then you can just come in, turn it on, and set it up as a new speaker.